Step 6, experimentation with form. We are learning how to build basic shapes out of cardboard. For this one, we are going to go to learn how to build half of a ball out of cardboard. It needs to be 3 to 6 inches big, and you can take apart previous things that you built and use those supplies. So I stole my circle from my cone. And then you also need to realize that we're building half of the ball. Clearly, if you did the full ball, then that's how you can make that structure. So you're going to take your circle, and then you're going to either trace it or create another circle, and mine happens to be out of cardboard, but you can use chipboard, it might be easier. And you are going to cut it in half. Once it is cut in half, visually what you need to realize is we want them to look like this. So not straight up and down, but so that as you look at the side of it, it creates the arch of a ball. To hot glue these, what you want to do is making sure you have something underneath you as you glue. And it might help if you draw a straight line here, but you are going to set down a hot glue gun line. And again, you want this to be a thick line, and you need to work quickly. Again, push the hot glue gun down so you don't have that little piece come up. And then while it's still hot, you take your first piece and you wiggle it into the glue. And all you're worried about is that it's wiggled in. And then you take your second piece and you wiggle it into the glue. And now you take the time to get them to the arch level. And then the only thing you can do now is just wait for it to dry.